How to share notes on Instagram with close friends. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can share notes on Instagram with close friends. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here should be just open up your Instagram and then head over to your DM section. After you're there, you should see your notes. Simply tap on it and then you can write whatever you want. After you write whatever you want on your note, you can tap on the close friends option that's on the left hand side. Tap on it, and after you tap on the close friends option, simply choose the close friends that you want to add. You can edit the list if you want to, and then tap on done. After you choose the close friends option, you can tap on share. After you tap on share, your note is now shared with close friends. Tap on the note to confirm it. As you can see right here, it says right here shared with close friends. And yeah, that is how you share notes on Instagram with close friends, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.